the Hydrofix EPIRB electrostatic release. Release depth 4 meters. Do not paint. For EPIRB use only. Made in Fort Lickerdale. We're sketched out on 22 of March. Dispose of after 2 years from install date, or 4 years from date of manufacture. Well, let's figure out. I suspect it wasn't used. This pen is probably integral to its function. Nothing going on. The pen's cool though. The master key. Stay. I've broken the screwdriver. It's like a puzzle box. No. They're not connected. Have to get out some real screwdrivers. Suspect it's glued together. No screws. ACR Electronics. Manufactured 1 of 20. I don't see no screws in them holes. It's printed on the plastic. Is it not? Oh, hey, look at that. Still gets us nowhere. Various slots, but none of them seem to be tabs. That feels pretty solid. That's what I'm talking about. Holy moly. Well, got a spring. Pretty nice looking stainless spring. Okay. Got a cool little rubber plunger, another spring. A bunch of garbage. Very interesting. Okay, too much fun. Well, that was less than exciting, but I did get 2 cool springs in this pen. Yeah, and a rubber gasket.